Alright, where's that bolt at? I'm gonna use this one. Touching the surface here at least. Alright. What's going on here, man? Oh. There we go. I think I got it. This housings. Whew. Alright, guys. So, you got your 3 ball detent housings right there. I'm going to get this in film just in case. I'm not sure if I'm filming or not, so glare. But you got your 3 ball detent housings there. Oh, there's the ball. There's one of them. I see some metal particulates. It's possible. Here, let me get my pickup tool. Here. So we have ball. Boom. I gotta find a home for this thing. Oh. This is your magnetic, look at that. That's all metal right there, guys. Oh man. I don't remember. That's a lot of metal. So just going to analyze why I'm popping out of first and recently second. And we'll go from there. So now I've got this disassembled. Yeah, I'm sure the other ball's in there somewhere, but we'll look at it. Let's see. Any other ball? I do need a this is your breather baffle. See, it goes here, allows the engine to breathe. Yeah, I don't see any ball detents here. Wondering which one was the noisy one. It was noisy when I was in first and second gear. Looking at the gears. I don't feel any play. Anyway. Oh, let's put that back. Looking at my interesting. So most of the stuff I'm gonna have to take out anyway, but for now I'm just gonna this is my sensor switch. Okay, 2 D10 balls. I'm curious as to what happened in the, what caused it to grind, make it grind. Before this rod can come out, you got to punch that. And I think some of these you can actually take out without going into it deeply. We're not going to do it for now because I don't have enough space to catalog some of this stuff, and I don't want to be losing parts, especially on a critical component like this. Very critical. So definitely I'm just going to film here for a bit. In fact, I'm going to do this off my head so you guys can have a look firsthand. Hopefully that's not a leak right there. That's the bell housing side. Damn, I wonder which one's making a noise. Anyway, how many bearings do I have? Got more on the bottom there, so make a note of that. Okay, so we'll get into it at a different time. We're gonna organize some of this stuff here. I'm gonna throw some of these in the sonic cleaner, ultrasonic, and clean up the screws and whatnot. And we'll proceed on maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I'm gonna catalog some of these parts, where they go, put them in Ziplocs and whatnot. Go clean it up. Alright, let me go ahead and, you know what? See if I can grab that. It's really in there. Ooh, look at that. It's all metal. Oh man. It's all metal, guys. All right. Let's go ahead and toss that there. Do some cleaning up here. So I didn't really expose myself to too much. So we'll do that. And I'll go ahead and dismount here. Alright guys, so see if I can change perspective here. It won't let me, will it? No. Alright. So moving on. differential. See if I could film this without causing shadows. Differential housing, gear housing. Here's your gears. Let's see if I can do this. Here we go. I wonder what's causing that noise. It's one of the bearings. It has to be. Hopefully I don't have bad synchros, but you know, I can't really say much until I do the analysis, disassembly on this thing, and I gotta study this some more. So for now I'm gonna catalog, put some of these parts in the bag, Ziploc. So